Let's talk about moisture in the air. So Austin's a very humid environment, often 80 to 90% humidity. This creates a great environment for all sorts of things to grow. If we're constantly bringing in humid air from the outside, then we're creating a not so healthy environment inside. We need to seal up the house air leaks, and not only for energy savings and comfort, but we need to seal up the house for our health. Then we can manage the humidity more effectively, and we can stop mold growth, wood rot, and protect the house structurally. Do you need a dehumidifier? If your house is sealed up properly, your HVAC will pull the humidity out of the air effectively in the summer while avoiding bringing excess outside humidity in. But in the cool part of the year, if your house is efficient, you won't be running your AC or heater enough to be pulling all the humidity out of the air that you need to. In Austin, it's a good standard practice to have a self-draining dehumidifier like SaniDry installed on either the crawl space or the attic.